What's up YouTube, TMZ1313 here. Today I just want to show you guys my homemade keyless door lock that I've made. So I was looking online for a keyless door lock for my garage. I kind of wanted something a little bit simpler, something something other than to having a key. So I was looking online, and I found this one. It's very nice, it's silver. But look at that price, $60. I'm not gonna pay $60. I am a cheapskate. I just can't find myself to spend that kind of money. So I made this for absolutely free. I didn't buy anything. I've had everything. Now, for someone that doesn't do electronics or doesn't have a whole bunch of random things around their house, you probably can't do this for free. But I did it for free. But I want to show you guys on what it is, how it works. So basically, it's all being controlled by a microprocessor. This microprocessor is basically a mini computer that you program to do whatever you want, and that's what I did. So you're probably wondering, well, how do I control this from the outside? And that's a very good question. Let me show you that. So first of all, before I open the door and show you, I have a little remote. It's just a cheap remote. It's for like lighting and stuff. And what I've programmed this microprocessor to do, I programmed these two buttons, the green and red button, to open and close it. So what I have here is an infrared sensor, and it's right in the door. It's hard to see. That's my sensor right there. And basically, let me open it up and show you. I just point it, which I could be far away, and it opens and shuts my lock. Let me see. Now this is a prototype. This isn't the finished product, of course. It's just to see if it works. Now it does lock the door fully. Like I said, it's just a prototype. Right now it's all hot glued on. I plan on putting some 3-inch screws through here. This is a solid wooden door. I'm gonna put some longer screws in here to make it go into the frame of the door and clean up the wires. And it's all gonna be ran off solar power. How I do that is this thing right here, which is basically a motor controller, but it takes up to 20 volts. So I could take this motor controller, hook up to my solar panels, and or my batteries, I'm sorry, and it's going to be powered off, and this runs off 5 volts. This turns that the 15 volts or 14 volts into 5 volts, and that powers the whole thing. So like I said, it's a prototype. It's really messy. I got wires everywhere. Hot glue is on everything, but it does work, and it works really good. I was actually surprised. Like I said, it's pretty simple, just on and off. So let me just show you from the outside again. It's kind of dark out here, but here's the sensor. I just lock it. That's locked. Alright, try to open my door. Will not go anywhere. Open it up. And it lets me in. So, also if you're wondering, am I really going to carry this around me the whole time? And the answer is no. The good thing about this project is that I could turn any infrared remote like this into this. So actually what I did online, well, let me show you real quick. So what I'm going to do here, let me find it. Here we go. And there's one actually a lot cheaper than this one, but it's basically infrared remote, and it hooks up to your keychain, so that's going to be on my keys. I'm going to be able to use 2 of those buttons, and it's going to do the same thing this is doing. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. It's not finished. I like to do a lot of prototypes. Half of the time I don't actually go through with it. It's more just the fun of building it. I do plan on eventually making a better setup, more cleaner, something that's not all in the way and stuff. But thanks guys for watching. Like, subscribe, check out all my other Arduino videos. If you like solar panels or thinking about solar panels, look at all my solar panel videos, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell also so you get notifications when I pull up new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.